Hello, my name is John Sinise from Panduit. I'm standing here at the Rockwell Automation Fair in McCormick Place in front of our noise mitigation demonstration. As you can see, we have what we call a victim wire here. This could be something of a communications cable or network cable inside of a control panel. And we also have a source of noise. We have a variable frequency drive running a motor that emits a lot of EMI noise. So as you can see up here on our graph, we have a lot of noise on our line being generated through the victim wire that's coming from running this motor. And now we can demonstrate we have two products. We have our shielded duct and our noise shield, which both illustrate the same concept of noise reduction. So if we move our victim wire over to the shielded duct, hereby protecting this wire now, you can see up here on our graph the noise reduction. And then we can also move the victim wire over to the noise shield to illustrate the same concept. Again, we've reduced our noise. And we can go back to where we started with the victim wire, where it's within 1 inch of this wire, so you can see a lot of noise being interjected on the line. These two products offer the equivalent of about 6 inches of noise space. So you can see if I pull this up, we can have the same effect of reducing the noise on our graph as we do with the noise shield and the shielded duct. However, when in a control panel, when you have a confined space and you want to optimize, these products are ideal for that environment. Thank you.